The current global healthcare crisis has made face masks an increasingly important part of our day-to-day lives. They help create a resistance or a barrier against infectious respiratory droplets and are extremely essential when you're walking out of your house. While medical masks like N95 and surgical masks are extremely helpful in preventing the coronavirus from spreading, they are sometimes short in supply and must be reserved at a priority for healthcare workers like first responders, doctors, and any other hospital staff that's handling or treating COVID-19 patients. So if you're finding it difficult to get hold of a mask, we are here with a few easy, no-sew ways you can make your own cloth mask using things you can find at home. So before we get right into it, here are a few things you need to know about cloth masks. It can be worn by anyone above the age of 2. They need to be made of breathable fabric, preferably cotton. The mask needs to cover your mouth and nose completely. It needs to have a snug fit without any gaps on the side. For our first DIY mask, you will need a bandana or any big piece of fabric and 2 elastic bands. You can just use your thin hair ties for this as well. Make sure your fabric is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before you make your mask with it. Fold the fabric into half twice. This will give you a layered rectangle strip of fabric. Now place the hair ties on both ends of the fabric. Tuck the loose ends into each other and secure with safety pins. You can wash this mask every time you use it, but make sure you use a bleaching agent to thoroughly clean your mask. This DIY requires something easily available in your house: socks. For this DIY mask, all you need is a clean cotton blend sock and a pair of scissors. Start by cutting off both ends of the sock. Next, all you need to do is cut an inch-long slit on each end from the bottom. These slits will be your band to hook onto your ears. This is a great double layer mask, and you can also place coffee filters between the 2 layers for extra protection. For a more breathable version of this mask, just cut off the heel part. Next, fold the fabric in half and cut a slit. Repeat this on the other side. This will help keep your mask snug onto your face. The elasticity of socks helps keep the mask in place and well fitted without much effort. If your face is as small as mine, use a sock that's a small or medium size. If your face is larger, go up a size or 2. You can also try it with men's socks as they're usually larger. Hope you find these easy to make masks helpful. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.